In this video, I'll show you how to rearrange or reorder pages in a PDF using Nitro Pro PDF. Welcome to this video. My name is David. I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. So I have my PDF file with me here, and I'll just click on it. It's going to open up inside Nitro Pro PDF. We can just go to the first page. Let's assume our first page, and I can just minimize slightly. It's a little bit minimal there at 50%. Let's assume our first page is the last page. How can we rearrange these inside Nitro Pro PDF? Just a quick note, ensure that the file is not protected from editing or whatever you need to change. If there's any protection available, ensure that you have the password if the password is required to make the changes we need. Next up, what we need to do here, we need to check out the pages from the left column here. And if you click on this, you can view and navigate through this document using page thumbnails. If I click on that, we are going to see the pages that we have. And from this section, you can do a couple of different things. When you select a particular page, you can either rotate to the left. And if I click on that, it goes to the left, or bring it back, delete, add, or insert a blank page, copy a page, and basically paste a page once you're done copying. And then you can do reduce the page thumbnails. Let's just do that. Or we can see a couple of more pages. Just keep going, and we have about 6 pages. So let's assume we want to move the first page to about between the 5th and the 6th page. What we need to do, I'll click outside a little bit. You'll need to click and hold the particular page you want to move, and then move it to where you want it. And once I release, what happens is the pages rearrange, and now this particular page, as you see here, is page 5 of 6. Now it's page number 5. That is how you can rearrange or reorder pages in a PDF using Nitro Pro PDF. I hope this tutorial has shown you how easy it is to move pages in a PDF using Nitro Pro PDF. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.